Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Weather with Jonathan here. I'm back with another video. Sorry for not uploading yesterday and stuff. I just haven't really had much time. Also, by the way, what you're seeing right now is the temperatures for the next few days, and we are going to talk about possible warm up, some snowstorms, and the potential for severe weather. Starting off, I got a batch of winter storm warnings up here in the upper Midwest. Some high wind warnings too over here. Or high wind watches, same near Buffalo. Some winter weather advisories. Some flood watches down here in Missouri. So you can also see we have some winter weather advisories for the West Coast. So in this video, I'm gonna start showing you guys the storm. So this is what we could be seeing for the next few days. So these are going to be the storms that'll end up happening. Now they won't look exactly like this. I know it'll be different, but if we take a look at our snowfall totals, for all of this, we could be seeing a snowstorm for the upper Midwest. And currently, it's showing a bunch of snow for in upper Michigan and some more for Virginia. Now, I just want to show you guys that's only 240 out or 240 hours out. This is what the max out is. Now, I just want to show you this is what it was looking like 2 previous runs ago. Yeah, it was looking like a monster blizzard for the Dakotas, dumping about 4 feet of snow. This is what it was looking like earlier today. This is what it looks like now, so that's good. But all these storms, yes, will lead to severe weather. We've got a bunch of severe weather possibly expected. So if we look at our dew points, now the first one that I'm concerned about is this one right here that I have you guys being showed. That's being shown on the screen, but it's gonna lead to severe weather. With moderate instability, and the dew points will be mid to upper 60s. We could have CAPE values around 1,000 joules. CIPS, this has issued a 15% risk. Now, just don't get confused. A 15% risk and a 10% risk on this is a marginal risk. A 30 or higher is a slight risk or higher. So this is today. We've got, now this is not the Storm Prediction Center, just saying. So this is what the hail probability is, and there's no tornado probability. It's tomorrow that we're more concerned about. We've got a 30% risk centered over Texarkana, and a high wind risk, maybe a little hail, and yes, a tornado risk. Day 3, another 30% risk. Now, I just want to tell you, these 2 days, these are actually slight risks. Well, that means day 3 will probably be a slight risk tomorrow, but we have a tornado risk and a wind risk for that day. We do have a day 4 risk, but not on the Storm Prediction Center. So we got a 50% risk, 5% tornado, 15% all severe. But what the Storm Prediction Center has issued for today is a marginal risk. Then we got a slight risk for tomorrow. Now I think this will get extended a little farther up to up western the Missouri River a little bit, just because of what I was seeing earlier. And then for day 3, we have a marginal risk for the Panhandle of Florida, southwestern Georgia, and southeastern Alabama. Now we do have marginal risk for day 4. I don't really think that'll get upgraded, but if we look at the fire risk, we do have an elevated risk for day 5. You can see that we have it for northwestern Texas and eastern New Mexico. And that's going to be caused by mainly dry. And if we take a look at our rainfall totals, you can see they're not going to be getting that much rain at all. Actually, this is how much rain they'll be getting in western Texas. So pretty dry, but then we could be talking about flooding in the south, which is not good. And currently it's looking like another round for California of rain, with rain. And these are mainly going to be caused by storms, all these storms. And I'll currently go over what I know about the storm that will happen tomorrow. So take a look at our cape. That's not our cape, but I already went over the cape, but it'll also be a marginal cape. Now we need to look at our upper air wind with these. So winds out of the southwest to about aligned with the storms to about 45 knots. The main wind speed, the storms will be mainly about 50 to 100 knots. Now, you're probably thinking, well, this is not aligned with the storms. Yes, I know. But guess what? There's wind shear out in front of the storms. And you can see that those storms will be crossing the Mississippi River Valley. Now, I know tomorrow we're likely going to see a watch issued. And I just want to show you guys what the tornado watch is, all the tornado watches we've had this year. And this is a lot. And you know why? Because guess what? We had did have a tornado outbreak in January. And this January it already went off with a banger. We did not have many severe thunderstorm watches. But January went off with a banger with 125 tornadoes. That is a ton. I'll also show you temperatures will be pretty warm at times. If we look at the 2-minute temperature, and these will be warm. So I'll put it into motion right here. You can see it'll start to warm up a little, go back up, and you can see it goes back down, and then goes back up, and then goes back down. Just this is the pattern, and it starts to get in a cold wave, but then that is the total opposite for like a day, and then warm, and then cold, and then starting to get warmer, colder. And then it's going to start to enter a cold freeze, but then this happens. Watch this. We get a big warm up, and starts getting a lot warmer. Okay, guys? And this is good. This is good, but not very good for storms and fire conditions. And we're going to have a massive, and this is currently, we could have massive, humongous warm up around the 23rd. Temperatures in eastern Nebraska, 70. And temperatures in Florida, you guys could be seeing up to 90 degrees. And this will be and I promise you, this will be above average. We take a look at our temperature anomaly. Look at how above average it is for much of the country. And I'll just put the temperature anomaly in motion. But for the east, it's going to be a lot warmer, except for a few cold waves that will happen, like this one. And then this will happen, and then it'll be really warm. Then that happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all the support. It means a lot to me. Bye.